Hello everybody! There's this game that I didn't know about. But like, if you don't like this game, if you don't know what this game, this is the video, by the way. So this, if you want to know what the game is, and if you don't have it, you don't know what the game is, the game is called Shark Go, and hope you enjoy this video. Okay. Okay. No, okay. Anyways. First, you have this. Mine is big. You're gonna have to go to the anglers. Go get those fish. And I recommend do not go to that place because you die even though you're new. And if you want to get an axolotl, I'm sure you can get it yourself. I recommend to die. Try to get it. Anyways. Y'all want me, whatever, okay, I don't know what I'm asking for, but, give me that, chainsaw. Yes, everybody know you're, right, get it guys, get it. Anyways, wait, that's my camera. Yeah, whatever. When you press play again, you're gonna have a shark, and once you swim down here, you're gonna have to once you get the seal, you can attack you can also get players. And maybe hard when you try to like if don't beat that big boss, you will die. $5 million heads. Catch attack. Yeah, recommend. Yeah, that's why. Oh my My uncle died. I'm talking about just. Let's get my shoes on you. Hey, man, powerful sea dragon. I got him, everybody. It looks cool tonight now. Hey, stop moving. Stop moving, I said. Stop moving. No. Oh, hi, seal. I just wonder which one it is. Defeated my sea dragon. Okay, but this is also your fish stacks and just press X. And you can see everything. Kind of copy of Og. But then okay. So now this is bundle. If you want to get it if you want. I'm okay. But yeah, I forgot about one of these. You can also get these if you just have enough. Anyways. That's enough for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. And everybody, bye-bye.